I want to start by saying, due to copyright with any clip art I would have purchased, I'm not able to offer the actual coloring page to go along with this. So you can honestly, you could even use one from a coloring book. Just handwrite numbers on the pages and then make copies, or you can print anything offline. There are a bunch of coloring pages for free online, and same thing, you would just write the numbers on top before you make copies. Or if you go to Teachers Pay Teachers and simply type in coloring page like I did up here, there are so many coloring pages, and they show on sale right now because I'm recording this during a site-wide sale. So please, if you go and search that, they're not on sale. It's because of when I'm searching. But there are so many, and all of these are fine for classroom use. So my templates are only appropriate for classroom use, so you can't make anything to sell. So that means all of these coloring pages would be fine as well. You'll just have to do the same thing where you have to put the numbers on first. So let's go back to the template. So if you do get something like that, you can screenshot it, you can insert it into here. If you go to right click on this and then duplicate slide, then you can delete all of this off. Leave the skill name here once you type that in, and then you can just insert your picture here. So that way you can still have the 2 pages, it'll have the heading and all of that, but you don't have to do that. So back to the coloring page, you cannot edit on any of the templates. You can't edit the top right where it says coloring page, and in this case you can't, or in all cases you can't edit the copyright at the bottom either. So whatever skill you have for your coloring page, you can highlight this. You can change the font if you want to. Just type the skill name here: fraction operations, solving equations, adding 2-digit numbers. You can change the directions. So if you want to, if for example, instead of a problem, you're doing simplifying fractions, you can write simplify each fraction, find your answer in one of the 3 answer columns, and so on. So you can, if you don't do a problem, if it's more of a question, you can delete this out. You don't have to leave that there. Nothing on this table must be left. If you only want to have 2 answer choices, you can click over here in column 3, right click, delete column, stretch it out. I'm going to put it back just for now. If you only want to have 5 questions, maybe you have long word problems, highlight, right click, delete rows, and then you can stretch this out. There is a lot that you can do with this. And I'm going to, again, just put everything back for when I'm going through this. If you don't like the gray, you want to change colors. Sorry, I keep moving it. You can change the colors there, whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to do something easy for an example. So we want to do 8 plus 4. You're going to have your 3 answer choices. Now, what I recommend doing first is making your key first. So when I make a key, I just fill in the boxes. So maybe go through and fill in every single box that you want to be the answer. This way, when you make your key, there's absolutely no confusion. So 8 plus 4, my answer is going to be 12. Distractors, maybe they will multiply and get 32. Maybe they will subtract and get 4. And then you'll just highlight color and you'll type in the colors here. And they don't have to be capitalized. It's just something that I'm choosing to do right now. And that's it. And then you will, once you're finished, make sure you just highlight all of this. Actually, once you're done, before you get rid of the colors for the answer key, go back here again and do a duplicate slide. That way you have a key already done. Then go back to your original, highlight all of this right here, and then just shape fill either white or transparent. That way you don't, of course, print it with the colors in there. So that's it. And when you do print, make sure you save as a PDF first. Some of you would print fine from PowerPoint, but some of you, if you print in PowerPoint, it won't print anything that's secured in the background. So there you go. And that is your tutorial for how to use the coloring page template.